The 2012 Honda Civic LX. Powered by a 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine with a 5-speed automatic transmission. This sedan, with fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This Honda features front-wheel drive, air conditioning, and tilt wheel. Safety features include side airbags, traction control, and ABS. Comfort and convenience features include power door locks, keyless entry, and a CD player. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at San Leandro Honda, a Carfax Advantage dealer.